There we go. There's Sally. Sally, say hi. We're duck hunting at Drake. I'll show you my rig. That one in the middle spits water every few seconds, creates motion. And over here I got one that swims in circles. And over this way, you'll see that boxy looking thing. That would be a blind, also known as a hide. That's to the east. This is what Drake looks like. That's what Sally looks like. That would be to the west. Etc. It's been a pretty good day. We have 4 ducks so far. It's 10:35. Ducks don't fly much after now, so we're going to go back to the lodge and have something to eat. Bye.